Hello, Emily.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today.
Me too. Today, we are going to practice English for talking about your studies.
That's right. Talking about your studies is very important. You can introduce yourself in school, college, or language classes.
And we will make it easy for beginners.
Before we start, if you like this episode, please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And don't forget to share it with your friends who are learning English. Basic questions about studies.
Emily, let's start with some simple questions. What do you study? Where do you study? How long have you been studying? Do you like your studies?
Role play. Emily, what do you study?
I study art. I love drawing and painting.
And I study English. I am an English teacher.
You can also ask, what is your favorite subject? Or which subjects do you like?
Examples. My favorite subject is history. I like science and math.
Next, you can talk about where you study.
Simple sentences. I study at a school in my city. I go to university. I study online. I am in my final year of college.
Role play. Emily, where do you study? I study at a university in Toronto.
I study online because I work at the same time.
Listeners, pause and say where you study.
Now let's practice talking about subjects. Math, English, science, history.
Art, music, physical education, computer science.
Examples. I study English every day. I have science and math classes on Monday. I love art and music classes.
You can also talk about the schedule. I have 2 classes in the morning. I study in the afternoon. I have a break at 10 a.m.
Role play. Emily, what subjects do you have today?
I have English, art, and music classes.
I have math, science, and English classes.
You can also talk about what you like or don't like in your studies.
Simple phrases. I like history because it is interesting. I don't like math because it is difficult. I enjoy science experiments. I don't like homework very much.
Role play. Emily, which subject do you like the most?
I like art. It is fun and creative.
And my favorite subject is English because I love learning new words. Listeners, pause and say your favorite and least favorite subjects.
You can also talk about how you study.
Simple sentences. I study every day for 1 hour. I review my notes after class. I study with friends. I listen to English podcasts to improve my skills.
Role play. Emily, how do you study English?
I read books, listen to podcasts, and practice speaking with friends.
I study math by doing exercises every day.
Listeners, pause and describe how you study your favorite subject.
You can also talk about studies you did in the past. I studied art in high school. I learned French last year. I took a science course last semester.
Role play. Emily, did you study any other subjects before university?
Yes, I studied French and history in high school. I studied computer science last year.
Listeners, pause and describe subjects you studied before.
You can also talk about what you will study in the future. Next year, I will study chemistry. I am going to learn how to draw better. I will take an English course online.
Role play. Emily, what will you study next semester?
I am going to study sculpture and painting techniques.
I will study advanced English grammar. Listeners, pause and say what you will study next.
Let's practice. I will ask a question and you answer. What do you study? Pause. Where do you study? Pause. What is your favorite subject? Pause. How do you study? Pause. What will you study in the future? Pause.
Great! Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Some simple tips. Use simple sentences. Start with your favorite subject. Talk about where and how you study. Add past and future studies. Use like, dislike phrases.
Example, I study English at school. I like English because it is interesting. Yesterday, I studied grammar. Tomorrow, I will learn vocabulary.
That's all for today's episode.
In the comments, tell us, what subject do you study? What is your favorite subject? How do you study?
And remember to subscribe, like, and share with friends who are learning English.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.